A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Today we are going to learn English translation of Surah Al-Baqarah, Para 1, Ruku number 4. So let's start. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. In the name of Allah, who is most compassionate or merciful. Wa iz qala rabbuka, and when your Lord said, Lil malaika, to the angels, Inni ja'ilun fil ardi khalifa, indeed I am going to place in the earth a vicegerent. Qalu ataj'alu, they said, will you place fiha, in it, one who yufsidu, will spread corruption or disorder, fiha, in it, wa yasfiku dima, and will shed blood, wa nahnu nusabbihu bihamdika, while we glorify to you with your praises, wa nuqaddisu lak, and we sanctify you. Qal, he said, inni a'lam, indeed I am now, inni I am a'lamu, now, ma, what, la ta'lamun, you do not know. وَعَلَّمَ آدَمَ الْأَسْمَاءَ كُلَّهَا, and he taught Adam alayhi salam the names of all them. Summa, then, aradahum, he displayed them, alal malaika, before the angels, to the angels. Faqal, and then he said, Ambi'uni, inform me, bi asma'i haulai, of the names of these, in, if kuntum sadiqeen, you are truthful. Qalu, they said, Subhanak, glory be to you, la ilma lana, la, no knowledge, ilma, knowledge, lana, for us, illa, except, ma, what, allamtana, you have taught us, innaka, indeed you, anta, you, al-alim, are all knowing, al-hakim, the all-wise. Qala ya Adam, he said, O Adam alayhi salam, Ambi'hum bi asma'ihim, inform them of their names. Falamma amba'ahum, and when he had informed them, bi asma'ihim, of their names, Qal, he said, Alam aqul lakum, did not I say to you, Inni, indeed I, alam, now, Ghaiba, the unseen, as-samawat, of the heavens, wal ard, and the earth, wa alamu, and I know, ma tubdun, what you reveal or disclose, wa ma kuntum taktumun, and what you are conceal. Wa iz qulna lil malaika, and when we said to the angels, Usjudu li Adam, prostrate to Adam alayhi salam. Fasajadu, so they prostrated. Illa Iblis, except Iblis. Aba, he refused. Wastakbara, and was arrogant. Wakana min al kafirin, and become of the disbelievers. وَقُلْنَا يَا آدَمُ اسْكُنْ أَنْتَ وَزَوْجُكَ الْجَنَّةَ. وَقُلْنَا, and we said, Ya Adam, O Adam, uskun, dwell, anta, you, وَزَوْجُكَ, and your spouse, al-Jannah, in paradise. وَقُلَا, and you both eat minha, from it, ragadan, freely, haythu shaytuma, from wherever you both wish. Wala taqraba, but do not you too approach hazihi shajara, this tree, fatakuna min az-zalimin, lest you both be of the wrongdoers. فَأَزَلَّهُمَا الشَّيْطَانُ, then Azallahuma, made both of them slip ash-shaytanu, the shaitan, anha from it. فَأَخْرَجَهُمَا, and he got both of them out, mimma, from what kana, they were, fi, in it. وَقُلْنَا, and we said, ihbitu, go down, all of you, ba'dukum libadin aduv, some of you as enemies to others. Walakum fil ard, and for you in the earth. Mustaqarrun is a dwelling place. Wamataun, and a provision. Ilahin, for a time, for a period. Fatalaqa Adamu min Rabbihi, then Adam al-Islam received or learned some words from his Lord. Kalimatin fataba alayhi, so his Lord turned towards him. Innahu huwa at-tawwabur rahim, indeed he is the oft returning to mercy, the most merciful. Qulna, we said, ihbitu, go down, minha, from it, jamia, all of you. Fa imma ya'tiyannakum, and when comes to you, minni, from me, hudan, guidance. Faman tabi'a, then whoever follows hudaya, my guidance, fala khawfun alayhim, so no fear will be on them, wala, and not whom they, yakhzanun, will grieve. Wallazina kafaru, and those who disbelieved, wakazzabu bi ayatina, and rejected our revelations or deny our signs, ulaik ashabun nar, it is they who are companions of the fire of, or inmates of hell, whom they fiya, in it, khalidun, will abide forever. Sadaqallahu Mawlana al-Azim.